Okay, get right to it. Inside of Clank. Okay, first one. Go back to the stairs. Turn around, jump around. Really quick. Next one, same area. 2 ways to do it. Both hard. Show you them both. Well, probably more ways. I like this way because I just found it 2 seconds ago. And there's the bolt. That's the bolt. Okay, here's the other way. You're down here. That light is the end. Or it's the end of the two-tone. And you just keep wall jumping. And you might be far away. Oh crap, I didn't even mean to go off. You might be far away, so go pretty high. And then you're up, and I'll get it. Okay, that's all of them inside Clank. So, moving on. Okay, I'm on Quadrona in the red room, orange room, whatever, so you recognize it. There's the room with the titanium bolt and other things. And left, and jump, 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 jump. And the bolt, which is all the bolts in the game on Quadrona. Okay, I'm on the medical outpost Omega. And the bolt is actually supposed to be over here. It's supposed to be right here. But actually, I never got it. Why? I already got it. Okay, I'll explain. When I got here, it wasn't there, but it was already, I already had it. Like, my total bolt count was, like, up. And I had it already. So here's the last one. If you didn't notice, I did skip it. And it's right here. And I know what you're thinking. And yeah, I'm single.